How to silence calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to automatically mute calls from people who aren't in your contacts. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner and go into Settings. From there, tap on Privacy to open the privacy settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Calls to open the call settings. In the next step, find the Silence Unknown Callers option and tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. Following this, once it's enabled, any call coming from a number that isn't saved in your contacts will be automatically silenced without ringing your phone. Once done, keep in mind that these calls won't just disappear. They'll still show up in your Calls tab and in your notification panel, so you can always check and call back if needed. Finally, this is a great way to cut down on spam and unwanted calls without completely blocking anyone or missing anything important. And that's it. If this guide helped you silence unknown callers on WhatsApp on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.